Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make 3 different types of magnets. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about these magnets. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this. Let's get on with the video. The first magnet I'm going to show you how to make are these marble magnets. The first thing you want to do is to take some clear flat marbles and trace around them onto some scrapbook paper or an image of anything you want. And then you want to cut out what you just traced with scissors. Then you want to paint some Mod Podge onto the flat side of the marble and put the picture side of the image you want on the marble onto the back of the marble and wait to dry before gluing on the magnet. When the Mod Podge is dry, you can take a glue gun and glue on the magnet onto the back of the flat marble. If the magnet doesn't fit, depending on the type of magnet you use, you can trim the magnet down with scissors. The second magnet I'm going to show you how to make are Polaroid magnets. You want to print out some square pictures onto some cardstock paper or photo paper. Then you want to draw a shape of the white part of a Polaroid around the picture with a pencil and a ruler. You may have to play around with the picture and the printer settings to make the Polaroids. Then you can cut out the Polaroids. When you cut the first one out, you can trace that one over the next picture to create another Polaroid. And if there are any pencil marks on the Polaroids, you can erase them. The last thing you have to do is to glue on the magnets with a glue gun. The last magnet I'm going to show you how to make are some button magnets. All you have to do is get some buttons and trim down some magnets to fit the button. And lastly, all you have to do is glue on the magnets on the back of the buttons. And that's it for this video. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about these magnets. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Bye!
Crack it.